beautiful people. So you guys, this vlog is going to be a shop and cook with me vlog. I am going to the market, all right, and you guys, I don't like going to this particular market, so please first of all smash the like button because it's always a hassle going there and coming back, like. But anyway, we're going to just go and get things that we're going to be using to cook this palm oil stew, designer stew. Okay, so yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Let us go.
We don't make the rules, we found holes instead. I told you not to fall so deep, 18 feet going under now. It's a shock we're still alive. Thought we'd die the first round. We don't make the rules, we found holes instead. You wanna whisper all the secrets to me. Tell me later, or you're gonna lose me. Going off stream, yeah, we like it offbeat. Treading lightly, keep it in the car seat. You wanna whisper all the secrets to me. Tell me later, or you're gonna lose me. Going off stream, yeah, we like it offbeat. Yeah, we like it, yeah, we like it.
Assorted meats. What's this?
Mommy, wait. And this one you're looking for. Mommy, look at me. This one are you looking? What do you mean? Somebody is talking to me and yourself.
Hi guys, so before you continue watching your video, I want to introduce you guys to Shop Aviva. They sell beautiful jewelry at really affordable prices. You can buy your wedding band, necklace sets for as low as 2,000 naira, you guys, and they look like real silver. They're so beautiful. So you guys, the link is going to be in the description box. You can buy, if your wedding band, you have stopped wearing your wedding band, come and buy. Look at fine, and it does not wash, you guys. Like, it really lasts. They have beautiful necklaces, affordable prices, you guys. 2K. Like, you can't get this in other sites for this type of price, and they deliver anywhere in Nigeria. So they have really nice sets. This Kimberly necklace now is like 3,000. Like, you guys, let me not talk too much so you guys can continue the video, but check out the description box. Just click the link and check it out. You just see something that you love. So you guys, I'm just going to allow that to cook a bit while our oil over here is bleaching. Yeah. So you guys, whoosh, that's a lot of flame. Can you see it coming out? So our palm oil has bleached. So next thing I'm going to do, I just want this to so you guys, next thing I'm going to do is to you guys, I'm going to add crayfish, and iru. What is Ever putting in his mouth? This is how me I make my own. I want to add this Giko. I've not used it before. You guys remember I did the whole. I want to see how it is going to turn out. Hey, you guys. Somebody will pay bride price again. Thank you, Lord. So you guys, our palm oil stew is super ready. I'm just going to serve this with rice. So yeah, thank you for cooking with me.